Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the name of the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. In the name of Asif Najran, from Muhammad, the Prophet of God. I praise the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and I invite you to worship one God instead of worshipping the prophets of God. His name echoed through the massive halls of the church. Muhammad. He had migrated from Mecca to Medina and had begun to spread a new religion throughout Arabia. His letter lies in front of the priest.
He invites us to accept Islam. I did not know that the God of Muhammad is the same as that of the Jews. Does he think he can scare us into accepting this new religion we know nothing of? I won't allow it.
The priest was satisfied with his beliefs in Christianity and planned to visit Medina to talk to Muhammad about his letter. The priest and his followers traveled to Medina and prepared themselves for a tough fight against Muhammad. Now he was in front of them. They noticed his dignified personality, the warm smile on his face. They talked with him for many hours. His speech was meaningful and eloquent. But the priest was not ready to accept his arguments. After several hours of long conversation, Muhammad became silent. He closed his eyes and moved his lips after some time.
تعالوا ندعو أبناءنا وأبناءكم ونساءنا ونساءكم وأنفسنا وأنفسكم ثم نبتهل فنجعل لعنة الله على الكاذبين.
The date for the Mubahila was set, and when the appointed day arrived, the priest and his followers waited for Muhammad to come. He did not come alone. Fatima, Ali, Hassan, and Hussein came with him. The priest had heard a lot of praise for this family. The center of Muhammad's life were these four, with whom he came to Mubahila. He called them his progeny. The residents of Medina had told the Christians that they were his Ahlul Bayt. The family came to stand in front of them, and Muhammad gathered his grandsons in his embrace before he began to speak. In a loud and beautiful voice, he said,
"They are my household. Whoever pleases them, I am pleased with them, and whoever offends them, I am angry with them. I keep them as friends. Whoever keeps them as friends, whoever is an enemy to them, they are also my enemy. They are from me and I from them."
Asif Najran thought about himself and his companions. Muhammad had come with his family and stood with them happily, with a smile on his face. He asked himself, "Am I ever this happy and content?" He was constantly fighting with himself. Surprised and worried, he went back to his companions and told them,
Make peace with Muhammad and go.